This BLACK+DECKER POWERSERIES 16V MAX Cordless Stick Vacuum, with its sleek white design and advanced features, is an impressive tool designed to handle a variety of cleaning tasks efficiently. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, everyday dust, or larger messes, this vacuum promises to deliver a comprehensive cleaning experience. In this detailed review, we'll explore the features, performance, and overall value of this cordless stick vacuum. The BLACK+DECKER POWERSERIES 16V MAX boasts a modern and lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver around your home. Weighing just a few pounds, this vacuum is perfect for those who need a powerful yet easy-to-handle cleaning tool. The white color gives it a clean, contemporary look that fits well in any home decor. The vacuum is built with sturdy materials, ensuring durability and longevity. One standout feature is the vacuum's self-standing capability, which allows it to stand upright on its own without needing to lean against a wall or furniture. This feature is particularly useful for quick storage between cleaning sessions. This vacuum cleaner is designed to tackle a wide range of messes, from small spills to larger debris. It is particularly effective on carpets, offering up to 25% more pickup than some of its competitors. This makes it ideal for homes with pets or children, where messes are a common occurrence. The AutoSense technology is a highlight, as it automatically adjusts suction power based on the type of floor being cleaned. This ensures optimal performance and prolongs battery life by using only the necessary power for each surface. For instance, it increases suction on carpets where more power is needed and reduces it on hard floors to conserve battery. The anti-tangle brush bar is another excellent feature, designed to handle hair and fur without getting tangled. This makes it perfect for pet owners who constantly battle with shedding fur. Battery performance is crucial for cordless vacuums, and the BLACK+DECKER POWERSERIES Plus does not disappoint. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, you can clean multiple rooms or large areas without needing to recharge frequently. This extended battery life is made possible by the efficient lithium-ion battery and the intelligent AutoSense technology that optimizes power usage. Charging the vacuum is straightforward with the included magnetic charger. The battery charges relatively quickly, ensuring that your vacuum is always ready for the next cleaning session. The cyclonic filtration system in the BLACK+DECKER POWERSERIES Plus is designed to keep the filter clean and maintain optimal vacuum performance. This system spins dust and debris away from the filter, reducing clogging and ensuring consistent suction power. The filter itself is easy to remove and clean, which helps maintaining the vacuum's efficiency over time. One of the standout features of this vacuum is the built-in LED floorhead lights. These lights illuminate the cleaning path, making it easier to see and pick up hidden dirt and debris, especially under furniture and in dimly lit areas. This feature enhances the thoroughness of your cleaning, ensuring no spot is left untouched. The BLACK+DECKER POWERSERIES 16V MAX is incredibly versatile. It quickly converts to a handheld vacuum, allowing you to clean stairs, furniture, and other hard-to-reach places with ease. The included crevice tool is perfect for getting into tight spaces, while the front-facing dustbin design allows the vacuum to lie flat for cleaning under low furniture. This versatility makes the vacuum a valuable tool for a wide range of cleaning tasks, from routine floor cleaning to detailed spot cleaning. Using the BLACK+DECKER POWERSERIES Plus is straightforward, thanks to its intuitive design and easy-to-use controls. The vacuum's lightweight build and cordless design make it easy to carry and use in any room. Switching between different modes and attachments is seamless, allowing you to adapt quickly to different cleaning needs. Maintenance is also hassle-free. The vacuum's dustbin is easy to empty, and the filters can be cleaned and reused, reducing the need for frequent replacements. The anti-tangle brush bar simplifies the process of cleaning hair and fur from the brush, ensuring the vacuum remains effective without much effort. Given its range of features, the BLACK+DECKER POWERSERIES 16V MAX offers excellent value for money. It combines powerful suction, advanced technology, and user-friendly design at a competitive price point. The additional features like LED lights, AutoSense technology, and anti-tangle brush bar add significant value, making it a worthwhile investment for any household. Conclusion: the BLACK+DECKER PowerSeries Plus 16 volts MAX Cordless Stick Vacuum is a versatile, efficient, and user-friendly cleaning tool that stands out in the crowded market of cordless vacuums. Its powerful suction, extended battery life, and advanced features like AutoSense technology and LED floorhead lights make it a top choice for homeowners looking for a reliable vacuum cleaner. Whether you need to clean carpets, hard floors, or furniture, this vacuum is up to the task. Its lightweight design and ease of maintenance further enhance its appeal, ensuring you can keep your home clean with minimal effort. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER PowerSeries Plus 16 volts Max is a highly recommended product that delivers on its promises and offers great value for money. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more detailed reviews and product insights. Share your experiences with the BLACK+DECKER PowerSeries Plus 16 volts MAX Cordless Stick Vacuum in the comments below, and let us know if you have any questions or additional insights. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Happy cleaning!